Let's start at the beginning of Australia's #1 quality towing mirror, Clearview. Hey guys, this week we're going to put on some next gen Clearview mirrors onto a brand new Ford Wildtrak. Now you can see here on Bill's unit he's got the compacts, but on the Wildtrak we're going to put next gen. So have a look and see what we do to get these mirrors on this awesome car. And we're going to say goodbye to the old mirrors and say hello to the new. The first job we do is we disconnect the battery on here. So the most important part is disconnecting the battery. To gain access to the panel holding the camera and the temperature sensor, you've pretty much got to pull the whole casing off the mirror. It's not hard, it pretty much clips off all the way around, and you need your star drivers pretty much across the whole installation to undo the screws or bolts. So we are actually going to exchange the camera. So we're going to use the original camera, the original Ford camera in the installation. So that will go into the next gen camera. The instructions that Clearview provide are absolutely fantastic. When you're changing over the camera on the bracket here, the actual heater sensor, the clips on here break really easily. So don't be alarmed if when you're changing it over you actually break the clip, because you can glue it back in. We're going to use a heat gun and put a bit of hot glue on there, and that'll tidy it up easily. But it is a trap for new players that clip will break really easily. It's common, but don't freak out. We're on our way. So that we get the correct tolerances, we're using a torque wrench. It says in the instructions to use a torque wrench. It's important. The last thing you want to do is be snapping bolts. So getting the correct tolerances is really important. Tony's had the second battery put into this Wildtrak, and you can see it's a really neat job, and it's good that Ford have thought about this. We've put the two mirrors onto the vehicle, and now Bill is just doing up the batteries again. Remembering right at the start of the video I mentioned the battery has to be disconnected.
Away at the first locking position, second position.
Probably in the 2nd. 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 2
Another happy customer. So we did the compacts on Bill's car a little while ago, and today we've done the next gens on Tony's Wildtrak. So the main difference between the two, I'll go on this way. So the main difference between the two, we'll start on the compact, the Clearview compacts. It has the blind spot monitoring, it has full electrics, the camera, the temperature, everything. Every little bit of electrics that originally came with the vehicle, this one's an XLT, is in the mirror. So you don't lose any of the electrics on the actual vehicle. Now we'll go over to the next gens. Now it's a bit hard from this angle because the mirrors aren't out, but the next gens have actually got the convex down the bottom. So the convex give you the benefit. Tony's just open up the car. There we go. All automatic from the key. So the beauty of Clearview is you don't lose any of the original factory settings, like your Powerfold. That has the full mirrors. Now the next gen has the convex mirror down the bottom, which I've got the same mirror on my Prado. I love it. You can look at your wheels, you can check everything, and of course when you're going to overtake, you've got that full visual, but you've also got the same amount of, I guess, sight as the compact does. So the next gens are just that slightly bigger, but both mirrors are sensational in terms of not losing all your electrics. All assembled here in Australia, in Melbourne. The company is fantastic, it's got a great backup, great warranty. They are a ripper unit. We're probably getting a bit of wind, I'm not sure, but these two vehicles have been done here at Dirt Road 4x4. My vehicle's also got them, and they're ripper mirrors. So for your Wildtraks, your XLTs, your sports, you've got the compact and the next gens, not losing any electrics at all in the vehicle. So when you're ready to do that towing mirror, these are the ones to go for. Now you can see both mirrors are full extended now, so the visual of you are towing is phenomenal. So you've got different settings, so you can pull it out to 1 stage or 2 stage, but both mirrors, as you can see, the compact against the next gen, there's definitely a difference in size. The compact looks more like a factory size, where the next gens are a lot bigger, but the visual, the blind spot, watching your wheels on your caravan or your trailer is a lot better with the next gen. But these are your options when you're looking at a next gen Ford Ranger, be it an XLT, Sport, or the Wildtrak.